About the drug cycle, the use of drugs. Drug addict people have a series of addictions that are unstoppable or uncontrollable. Crimes are mostly committed by poor people who cannot afford the money to have drugs. They don't have enough money by their legal incomes and go to illegal choices and opt for criminal methods. This in turn damages the life and society of people. The effects of drugs. Drugs and alcohol cause general effects and physical illness too. Neurological diseases can also be found in people who take drugs. People under drugs also have their mind people under drugs don't have their mind under control, and this can be effective to the society as they can lead to crashes or accidents too. In society, the youth is one of the most important components. And if the youth is damaged by the drugs or the youth is under drugs, then I don't think there will be any other way the society can develop. So educating the teenagers about the drugs is very important. The expenditure of drug consumption is very high, and so is the building cost of rehabilitation centers too. The whole international trade will be affected and international relations will be at stake. Example, US and Colombia. 26th of June every year is celebrated as International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. But still we see 12 to 17-year-olds who have been under the influence of drugs on the same day. Addicted parents cannot offer the kids very stable life, and they seldom go and have some family meetings or something like those. They often lose their jobs and also cannot offer security for the children. Many of these children of addicted parents run away from home and make their living on the streets. We've seen a few celebrities and also other guys who are under the influence of drugs, and these should be stopped legally. Over to Shabrish.
From 11B. I'm here to give a talk on the topic how consumption of alcohol is ruining a society. I think everyone here knows the fact that alcoholism is a social evil and it must be banned in order to make the society a much better and safer place to live in. The government does not want to ban because of fear of reprisals and the loss of revenue which comes from the sale of liquor. These days, that's a dangerous trend of youngsters aged about 15 to 16 years getting addicted to the bottle. This is a very worrying factor which must be corrected at the earliest. Alcoholic consumption has a direct link to crime. As more and more people take up drinking, the crime rate goes up, which causes nothing but harm to society. And people and families are forced into debt because of excessive drinking. And people resort to crime and illegal activities to pay for a drink. And about this hooch is a mixture of methanol and ethanol. Methanol is a toxic substance. Even one sip of it can be fatal. And this hooch tragedy recently happened in West Bengal about 2 to 3 weeks ago, claiming about 160 to 170 people's lives. And alcohol is something bad and it must be avoided. I can confidently say that we as Generation Y, avoid alcohol and do not take a sip, even if we face any type of pressure. And maybe 35 to 40 years later, this society, this country, or even this world become a safer place and much better place to live in because there will be hardly any alcohol left. Alcohol causes nothing but harm and danger. It must be avoided. It kills. Thank you. Have a nice day.